Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Mama. Stop for this video. Stop for this video. Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Uh, good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let me first introduce myself. My name is Dipali Bauthakur, and I'll be taking your communicative English class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is my name? What is my name?
Dipali Bothakur.
Yes. Yes. So my name is Dipali Bauthakur, and I'm from Jorhat. Have you ever been to Jorhat?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going.
Oh, you went to Jorhat. Like you have someone
Yes.
there, relative.
My
Yes.
my father's brother
Ah.
live in Guwahati.
Ah. Okay, your father's brother live in Guwahati.
Yes. When my father's brother is wedding, then I'm going.
Okay, okay, good. Today we'll do one thing. You know your roll numbers? Do you know your roll numbers, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know you people, right? Like you are total 25 students, and I don't know each and everyone. So we'll do one thing. Today, as it is my first class, I'll be trying to know you people. Okay. So roll
Yes.
number wise, you'll be introducing yourself. Like you'll be introducing like hello, I'll you see how I introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Dipali Bauthakur, and I am your communicative English teacher. I'm from Jorhat. I have like my brother and my parents who stays in Jorhat, and my father's job is in Tejpur, and I am working in Assam Downtown University, and I stay in Guwahati. So now everyone have to introduce themselves like this. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, roll number one. Who is roll number one?
Ma'am, we don't have roll numbers.
You don't have roll numbers? Okay, I'll call names. Wait.
I am also know my roll number.
You don't know your roll number?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, probably they haven't gave you your roll numbers. I'll be calling names. Aruhan Gogoi. Aruhan Gogoi.
Ma'am, there is no student like Aruhan Gogoi. My name is Aruhan Fukon.
Okay, your name has been mistaken here. So sorry. Aruhan Fukon. Yes? Say something about yourself now.
I live in Moran.
Why I cannot see you? I cannot see you. Please switch on your video. How will I know you? Yes, yes. Yeah.
And my favorite hobby is to play guitar. And
Okay.
I live in near Petwadla, Ukhapur Program Pot.
Okay. So, like, you have any brother or sister?
No, ma'am.
You are the only child?
Yes, ma'am.
Who loves you most, mom or dad?
Both of them.
Both of them. So, whom you love most, your mom or daddy?
Both of them, ma'am.
So, did you know, like, yesterday it was Mother's Day, right? You know that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what have you all done for your moms? Have you done anything for your mothers?
I made a Mother's Day cards.
Oh, very good. And anyone else? Aruhan, have you done something for your mom? No? Tanmay, have you done anything for your mom?
I'm giving my mother 2,000 rupees.
Oh my God, like where did you get 2,000 rupees? Who gave you?
My mother's
Yes.
brother is giving me in my
Oh.
birthday.
Okay, so you gave it to your mom.
Yes.
Very good. Then Barbie, have you given something to your mom yesterday?
Ma'am, I have no mom.
Okay, so sorry. It's fine. Like you live with your father?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. And so, like, who is there in your family? Your father, you, and
And my grandmother
grandmother.
and my sister and brother
Okay.
and my father,
Yes.
2 brothers.
So how many family members are there in your house?
10 or 9?
3.
Okay. So, okay, next introduction will be given by Avilek Lama. Is there Avilek Lama?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Like
Okay. Avilek Lahon or Lama?
Lahon.
Oh, so I don't know. Your school has given me wrong names. Okay. Avilek Lahon. Yes, Lahon. Mr. Lahon, say something about yourself.
Ma'am, I live in Overpur, Fotikaswa.
Yes. Then
Ma'am, I read in class 5.
you study in class 5. Then
My hobby is drawing.
your hobby is drawing. Okay, next
Yes,
class we
ma'am.
want to see your drawings in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Avinav Saikia. Avinav Saikia is there? No, Avinav Saikia? Yes, Avinav Saikia is there. Yes, Avinav Saikia, introduce yourself.
My name is Abhinav Soidia. I am living in school.
Avinav Saikia's network is very bad. Okay, we'll continue Avinav Saikia. Let us stop the introduction here and we'll be doing something interesting. Okay. So I have made a PPT for you. Like, do you know the tongue twisters? What do you mean by tongue twisters?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes, say.
tongue twister.
Yes, say. What is tongue twister? Yes. What? Can you see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll practice. Okay, we shall practice some of the tongue twisters today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please repeat with me. You repeat with me. Everyone together. Everyone have to repeat with me together. Like after I say,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
repeat. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ice cream.
Ice
Ice
cream.
cream.
You scream.
You scream.
Ice cream. You scream.
We
Ice
all
cream.
scream
We all
scream.
for ice cream.
Ice cream.
So now you have to say it fast. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Say.
Ice cream. You
Ice
scream.
cream. We all scream for ice cream.
Okay. One by one.
Scream for ice cream.
I cannot listen. I like everyone is shouting. I cannot listen one by one. Okay, first.
Ice cream. You scream. We will ice cream for ice cream.
No. Wrong. Ice cream. You scream.
Ice cream. You scream.
Yes.
We all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Again.
Ice cream.
Ice
You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Okay. Good. Next.
I saw sitting. I saw
Okay, let me read it. Please be silent. Let me read it. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Okay, listen to
I
me.
see
Listen to me.
Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
No, wait. At first, my dear students, at first listen to me and only after that you say. Let me read the whole line. Okay. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting
I see Susie.
I
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
I saw sitting in a shoe size.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
I saw
Yes.
Susie. I saw Susie.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay, wait. Let us like one by one. Wait. One by one. Like Avilek Lahan will say it first.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay, then Mahfouz Ali will say it second.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay, then Avinav Saikya will say. Avinav Saikya, say it.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Again, repeat it. Avinav's network is very bad. Let's go to Barbie Gogoi. Barbie, please don't draw here. Please don't draw in the screen. Barbie Gogoi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
saw sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Again, I couldn't hear you.
I saw Susie in a shoe shine shop.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Then Rashna.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine.
Okay. Stuti.
I saw Suji sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Okay. Tanmay.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe.
Okay. Anush. Where is Anush? Anushka Saikya. Say it.
I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Good. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay. Okay. Now this. Just listen to me. Only after that you repeat. At first, let me speak. Only then you repeat. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Listen, everyone, listen to me. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a
dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a dog
choose shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
Yes. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Yes. Again, repeat.
If a dog
Okay, one by one. I cannot listen. One by one. Everyone, I cannot hear you. Kongkon. Kongkon will say Kongkon. Where is Kongkon? Konkon's video is off. Konkon's has muted himself. He has just joined the class, but he's not there. Konkon, Pragyan Saikya. Pragyan Saikya. Devras Lahan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a dog choose, whose shoes does he choose?
Again, if a dog.
If a dog choose, whose shoes does he choose?
Then who wants to say it? Raise your hand. Who wants to say? Yes, Anubrat Hazarika, say it.
If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
Good, very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Okay. Rashna will say. Rashna, say it.
Sat on a big rug.
Rashna, say it.
Sat on a big black rug.
Yes. Then Devra, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Okay, a big black bear. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Then Anubhav, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Okay, good. Barbie, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Good. Then Endrick, say it.
A big black bear.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
And now Enric, say it. Enric.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Okay. Then Anushka, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Okay, good. Sneha, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Good. Avilek, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Good. Aruhan, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Good. Anubhav, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Okay, Mehfooz, say it.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
Good. Good. Very good. Now let's go to the next word, okay? Okay.
Ma'am, this is English.
This is?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone should talk speed.
I couldn't listen. What you are saying?
This is a tongue twist. Tongue twist questions. So everyone should need to say fast.
Yes, these are like words. Everyone should say fast, like a big black bear sat on a big black rug. Now, but this is the first class, so we'll learn slowly, okay? Because everyone cannot speak it as fast because of this. They have read this word for the very first time. Yes or no? So, students, when you are reading this kind of lines, you have to read it very fast. Like a big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. Yes, yes.
A big black bear sat on a big black rug.
A big black
A big black bear sat on a big black rug. So I will do one thing. I will share this PPT and you practice everyone in your home to say it fast. Okay? I will share the PPT and you have to practice in your home to say it fast, more fast. Now this one. Listen to me. Listen to me at the beginning. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Okay, listen. Silence. Silence. I'll be asking. Yes, Devras Lahan, say it. Devras Lahan.
How can a clam cream in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Yes? How can a clam cram
in a clean cream can?
Rasna, say it. Rasna, Tai, say it.
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Good, very good. Very good. Then Anubrat, say it.
How can a cream cram in a clean cream can?
It's wrong. Again, it's wrong. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a cram
listen to me. Listen to me. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Faster. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam in a clean cream can?
Okay, Avilek, say it now. Avilek.
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
More faster.
Yes, ma'am. How can a clam cream? How can a clam in a clean cream can?
How can a clam in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can cram in a clean cream can?
In a clean
How can a clam
cream can?
Okay, Enric will say now. Enric will say now. Enric, say it.
How can
Enric, say it.
How can a clam in a clean cream can?
Okay, next this one. Four fine fresh fish for you.
Fine fish
For you. Listen to me, everyone. Silence. Listen to me. Listen to me, everyone. When you are pronouncing four, okay, four. See, four is for, F is for, right? So when I'm pronouncing four, you have to bite your lips, lower lips. When you are pronouncing four, you have to bite your lower lips. Okay, listen to me closely. Four fine fresh fish for
fish for you.
Four fine fresh fish for you.
Fresh fish for you.
Four fine fresh fish for you.
Fish for you. Four fine fresh for you. Four fine fresh fish for you.
So do you like the fish? Do you like the
Go
fish?
find fish for you.
Do you like
Fresh
fish,
fish
everyone?
for you.
Fresh fish for you.
For you. Fresh fish for you.
Konkon, where were you, Konkon? I can see Konkon coming now. Konkon, where was you? You are not in the class, Konkon.
I'm here, ma'am.
But you are not in the class. I was calling you all the time. Your video was off. Your voice was off. You are not there. You just joined now. What were you doing? Now you are attending the class. It is already time to end the class. You are joining so late. Why? What are you doing? Okay, it's fine. Cool. Today is my first class. I will not scold anyone. Okay? So did you like my class today, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So we have 2 classes in a week. Like today we had 1 class and tomorrow we have 1 more class. Okay? So tomorrow we'll be practicing some of the more tongue twisters. Okay?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. I will do one thing. I'll be giving the PPT of the whole tongue twister and you'll be practicing in your home and tomorrow you have to be ready. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes,
Okay. Okay, students. It was nice talking to you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
students.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye, students.
Bye-bye, ma'am.